Hey, what's up? My name is Lisi. I'm from Goodna, which is in Queensland, Australia. And I'm a rapper. And I've been a fan of sports since I can remember. Yeah, we all played footy growing up, and I think, you know, like even mum was a manager, dad coached a bit. So yeah, just been around rugby league for a long time, and yeah, I guess we all just got the hang of it, and we love it now. I was a centre. I played centre and sometimes in the forwards if, you know, the boys were too tired. They'd just chuck me in there, little skinny mutt. So we all just played local footy. Well, my sisters, they made rep teams and whatnot, like Southeast Queensland Dragons, Met West, and what else did they make? Queensland Samoa. They played for Queensland Samoa and stuff. So yeah, we're all massive like rugby league fans and like lovers. Oh yeah, growing up, like definitely that was, I feel like for most of the island boys that were in my area and in Brisbane in general, it was just rugby league. This is sort of a new career path that I've chosen. Like it just came, you know, with the way the world works, I guess. No one was really into anything else other than just being a footy player. So yeah, it was a dream back then, but God works in mysterious ways. Footy team, South Sydney Rabbitohs, South Sydney till I die. And yeah, that's the best team ever. Of all time, I'd go Sam Burgess. Just showed a lot of heart, you know, running the ball, defense, all of that. Sort of a leader on the field. And I used to just be like, you know, on the fence with the South. But when I watched Sam Burgess, it sort of, you know, made me love the Rabbitohs even more. So yeah, I'd go with him. No, yeah, I'll go for Samoa because that's heritage. But if it's a Trans-Tasman test, I'm going for the Kangaroos. Sorry, Kiwis. I'm more concerned about whether our players are gonna, you know, pledge allegiance to, you know, Samoa instead of playing for Australia and New Zealand. A bit like Tonga did. Yeah. I reckon we could, you know, be as good as bloody Australia. If you put like Luai, I think Dylan Brown, Samoan. You know, got like Critter, Bizza, Ronaldo, heaps of Samoans and that are, you know, playing for Australia and New Zealand. But imagine if we all came together and played for Samoa. I'm talking like I'm playing, but I mean like the players, if they all came like and, you know, said, all right, we're gonna play for our motherland, that'd be pretty good to watch. But yeah, see how it goes. Now, so I was born here, as most people know, but when we first moved to Australia, we moved to Sydney. And so as a young kid, you know, when I watched the State of Origin, since we were living in Sydney, I was like, oh, well, then I'm gonna go for New South Wales. And this is at the time where we were getting pumped, like 9 in a row, every year. But even when I moved to Brisbane, I still stayed loyal to the Blues, and look at us now. Latrell Mitchell, he's a gun. Tommy Turbo, Trebojevic, he's cracker too. Daniel Safidi, and who else is there that's pretty good? Oh, Cameron Murray. Yeah, I love Cameron Murray. But I think I'm a bit biased because he's South Sydney, so yeah.